Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration, dual-pane panoramic sunroof. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Stinger. The Kia Stinger has a design that is sure to leave an impression. It offers the perfect combination of a sporty look coupled with a wide variety of luxurious features. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.